Santa Ana Park Invitational Race. Gates open, they're up and racing. We've got a scramble for front position. Go Belize! Draws for your lead, running alongside Diamond Laster by the Real American Ruler Hepburn. Then moving a party outside Royal Milestone, Empire Queen Profit sharing. Then moving a party outside is runner number 7, Anna Divine and Lord of the Sun. Rounding towards the 450. Go Belize, still out in front by half length, pressing a party outside is Diamond Laster. As they race for home, two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Go Belize, Diamond Laster now moving a party outside and this time grabbing the lead. Diamond Laster now the leader, followed by Hepburn. Royal Milestone moving up with 75 meters of the race. It's Diamond Laster by about 3, and finally Diamond Laster, Lord of the Sun. Then comes Hepburn, Royal Milestone, American Ruler for your pentafecta.